channel. Today, the weather is really nice and we are going to Yangmingshan because it's flower season. Let's go!
Where we are going is located in Taipei and actually is one of the national parks in Taiwan. Here is the map of Yangmingshan National Park. It consists of several mountains like this. It is famous for volcano, hot springs will go a hot spring for free in Lengshuikeng, and rolling grass hills in Qingtiangang, and flowers, cherry blossom and Calla lily. Basically, they have different timing of flowering. Now is March 24th, almost the end of cherry blossom season. But we will still go there and take a chance. Then go to Zhuzihu to see beautiful Calla lilies. It says be careful of the cattle. This is for boys' hot spring bath. It's totally free and there are some basic guidelines to follow. Like if you have certain disease or women on their period can go to the bath. And there are other rules, just make sure you follow all of them when you go to the hot spring. And this is for girls. Hope you like this trip. See you!